Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So I did that first mod that I typically do on most of my vehicles, and that is window tint. So I did 20% window tint all around the sides with 50% up front in the windshield. As many of you know, I have really grown to appreciate this whole setup. I think it looks fantastic, especially with a little bit of a darkened windshield. Never historically have I done the windshields, but I really have grown to appreciate it, especially with ceramic window tint, right? Because it definitely lessens the heat that is allowed into the cabin and keeps it pretty cool. So in this video, I'll just do a walk around of the exterior, and I'll hop in and I'll show you what it looks like from the inside too, for fun. You can kind of see the sun's going down out here, so it's starting to get a little bit darker, and it's shade on this side of the house too, so kind of keep that in mind. Tell you what, this electric lime metallic definitely pops. I love it. Definitely like it a lot more than Lime Rush. So here's a side shot of it. Again, from factory, these vehicles, most vehicles come with a stained back glass already, so it's already darker right back here, whereas you can tell, you can kind of see through it a little bit over here. So it's 20% in front and rear, and I purposely do that because it kind of shows a little bit of a conscious effort to keep the fronts a little bit lighter. Right, so I kind of like that. Some people just, and it makes sense, some people like to match it, and you could do that easily, of course, but I prefer this. It's a little bit darker in the back, and 20% in the rear as well. So, almost can't even see through it on the back glass for sure. And you can kind of see through there, right? Alright, so I'll hop in for fun. By the way, this is glorious. I love the simplicity here. And you get a grab handle over here, which I've already purchased one for this A-pillar over here for driver's side, so it'll likely be the next mod that I do. Okay, so there's a look out the front. So not too bad, and it really isn't that bad. Unless you really struggle at seeing at night in general, I wouldn't recommend doing it, but I have not had an issue with it really. I do quite a bit of night driving. So at the side, it's a little bit darker back there, you can tell. I tell you what, having kiddos, you really grow to appreciate window tint. You know, A, for the sake of keeping the cabin cooler if you park for a while. Obviously you're not leaving your kiddos in the car, but when you get back into it, it's cooler from the beginning. But, you know, just driving on a freeway or whatever, and it's nice knowing that your kiddos aren't being blasted by the sunlight, potentially keeping them awake. So if you're trying to get them to take a nap in the vehicle, this definitely helps out. Again, that's only something that the fellow dads out there may appreciate, and moms. But yeah, no, let me know what you guys think. I personally love the look. I think this is a required first step or first mod, quote unquote, to do to the TRD Pro, especially with all the existing blacked out accents. I think it really brings the pros together in particular very well. So nothing too crazy for this video, just wanted to show this to you guys, as it is the first thing I've done. So much more to come. I'm excited to share it with you. I'm actually deviating from my norm of things that I do to vehicles with this one. So we'll see how that goes, but a lot more to come. As always, I appreciate you guys supporting the channel and tuning back in as always. Till next time.